The 3012 watt 130 lumens schooner wall light dress up for the interior bedroom, living room, hallways, stairways, basements, attics, wherever you need to have light. And you could simply adjust them to the angle that you like diagonally, have less throw on the bottom, have more throw on top and to the angle, and many other ways to light up. You're interested in a schooner, 3000 Kelvin, adjustable 120 degree, any angle. We're going to show you this 12 watt up and down, how to hang on the wall to the side over here. Let's show you what you get inside the box and get started. 130 lumens MW brightness with 50,000 hours of long life. We're going to open up the box. You get an instruction guide, hardware and Allen key, nicely packaged in plastic. Your schooner that needs to be assembled, made of metal. All adjustable angles showing you on here before we install, that you can angle it any way you want, any degree, with COB LED lightings. 3 LEDs on each side. Find the color code brown, blue, and yellow in the guide. Find the yellow, blue, and brown to the corresponding information in the guide to your black, white, and green. In order to hang, Allen key needs to open up the case. Remove the case and hang. The yellow is yellow and green, your ground. The blue and the brown are your load and neutral. With the silicone back, you're going to take your leads and slide through, and you're going to hook it up to your outlet junction box. With your own supplied wire nuts, you're going to wire them up. With the Allen key and the inner bracket and the housing locked down. The cover needs to go on. You need to adjust your fans accordingly to the angles you like. Slip the cover and lip over and behind the back of the bracket housing. It rests on the back. Turn on the outlet, and if the lights to the schooner needs to be adjusted, simply go inside and do so. These are the schooners with 130 watt lumens, LED COB, and they are interior wall hanging units, dressing up your house interior. I hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you are looking for in lighting. Thank you very much for viewing and enjoy your product.